Muskmelon Mastani. In this recipe, there are gooey bites of sabudana pearls or sago pearls. So I have 1/4 cup of sabudana over here that I've soaked for about 2 hours in water, and now I'm going to boil them till they are translucent. Give it a stir. This will take a few minutes to cook, so let them boil on high flame. These are done. They're nice and fluffy and cooked. So now, let's turn off the flame and strain them, and make sure you cool them completely. They're transparent and sticky right now. Let them cool down completely. Of course, the hero of the recipe is muskmelon. It has to be nice and ripe. It has to smell right. I've also chopped some of it, and now I'm going to grind them. Muskmelon is very rich in vitamins and also is very hydrating. So a very nice fruit for the summer. Next, I'm going to add in some condensed milk. You can adjust the condensed milk as per your liking, because sometimes, the muskmelon is not very sweet or something. So just adjust the sweetness. Let's grind this into a pulp. And now into this, I'm going to add in around 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Let's add in a few cubes of ice, and let's blend this once more. This is ready. Let's assemble a Muskmelon Mastani. So in your jar or cups, whatever you're using, put around 2 tablespoons of the sago. Let's put a few pieces of finely chopped muskmelon, also nuts of your choice. Pour a little bit of this churned mixture in the jar. Give it a stir so that you can separate out the sago pearls. Let's pour in the remaining mixture. I've just made a little garnish with some mint leaves and grapes. Let's place this on the jars. This Muskmelon Mastani is ready. Muskmelon is a summer fruit. It keeps you hydrated and it's high on vitamins. So do give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.